Hello, people. It's a good day to everyone. Okay, let's talk on business. Business. Okay, business strategy is the comprehensive plan of action designed to achieve long term goals and objectives while navigating competitive markets and evolving conditions. It serves as a roadmap that defines how an organization will allocate resources, differentiate itself from competitors, and create value for its customers and stakeholders. By analyzing internal strengths and weaknesses alongside external opportunities, that treats a solid strategy aligns daily operations with the company's vision, ensuring sustainable growth, profitability, and resilience in an ever-changing business landscape. Remember that business is competition. Okay? People in the world, it's a good day.